This is Potensic Atom, and in today's video I'll show how you can remove the fly-in distance limit in this drone. So to start, you will need to launch the camera view of the Potensic Pro app. Then here to your top right you'll find these 3 horizontal dots which you need to tap on. Then to your left select the safety section and scroll the safety page down once again. And here, right in front of the distance limit adjustment bar, you'll find the no limit toggle, which you need to switch on. As you can see, once you do, the distance limit gets lifted off, and well, there is no flying distance limit, to put it simply. And your drone will fly as far as it will be able to get the signal from. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.